Alright, so here's the deal. I don't have anything for dinner tonight other than rice. So if I want protein, I'm going to have to catch it. My tools, per usual, are a Redington Classic Trout 9-foot 4-weight, a 5X leader, and a single fly, the X Caddis. For a full gear list, check out the link below. To start, I take out just enough line to fish right off the bank in front of me, and on the very first cast, I'm surprised by a take. A nice, aggressive rainbow, but not big enough for dinner. I'm making short roll casts with no more than 6 foot of line out, and watching closely for a natural looking drift. The next one is a little bigger, but again, not dinner. If you're enjoying these videos, take 5 seconds to like or subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing, and it really does mean the world to me. I appreciate y'all. Up the river by a few hundred feet, and just as I'm about to call it a day, I toss out one more short roll cast and I get a take. The rod is possessed. And just like that, we have dinner, a 14-inch rainbow trout. I feel so much gratitude and appreciation. Back of the truck, I clean the fish and get the chuck box out. And once the Dutch oven is oiled and hot, I lay the fish on to fry over medium heat. He was too large for my cast iron, so I removed the head and the tail and cut the rest in half. Once the meat on one side is cooked through and the skin is nice and crispy, I flip them and do the same thing on the other side. If you're finding this video helpful and you want to get into fly fishing, make sure to check out some of my other videos. They might help you out. Alright, this guy is looking good and fried up, so I think it's about time for me to put away the camera and eat some dinner. I hope everyone's doing well, and as always, if you enjoyed this one, take a second to like it, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends. Anything helps. I appreciate y'all. I'll see you next time.